So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make your own Velcro hair clip. This stuff is really useful. What it does is when you are doing your makeup, skincare, or you are applying any face mask, so it keeps your hair away from your face. So this stuff is really useful for girls with long hair or bangs. So keep on watching if you want to know how to make your own Velcro clips for cheaper price. Things you will need: pair of scissors, a Velcro hair roller. Okay, what you have to do is take your Velcro roller, and then there is a part where it's glued here, so you have to remove it. It's not really hard, it's really simple. After removing it from the Velcro plastic roller, you have to take it and cut this part. This looks really ugly, so cut it. It looks like this right now. It's a bit curved at the moment, as you can see. So what you have to do is take it and roll it like this and keep it like this for a while. As you can see, it's quite straight now. So here is your hair Velcro clip.